Here we are, folks, at the old truck spot. And look at that. More part over there. I don't know if that was back to the truck or not. It might have been a flatbed. Wooden homemade flatbed. Remember we brushed out the back window, which we did. The roof we took off. Yeah. My ass in here. No, actually, it's not safe to step on it. It's not that frozen yet. Yeah, we took the roof off. And we left the driver's side door open. Which is, yeah. If I can manage to get over here. I gotta, man, so someone needs to come in here and take all this stuff out. Whew. Now I gotta put the roof back on. Oh, you can't even open this fucking door now.
Get in there.
Hey, Dario. Now you can come a little further now.
Huh?
Now you can come a little further now. I cleared some of it out. Now you get to finally. You're fast further. The further you can go is right there. Look at it. Now you can see it. I cleared some of it out again today. Here's the roof. There you go.
How'd you get over there?
Oh, I just stepped on that thing and I stepped here. You can step on the frame though. I would, the frame, there's no water. Oh, look what I did to the back window last time. Never. Oh, I left the door open like last time. Yeah, I know what, why? Look. We're open because of that. Yeah. There's that big, whatever, rock.
Oh, wow, look at that.
Yeah, I don't know what this was. This is a 450.
This is a flatbed here, bud.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at all the wood.
Guess what time it is to shut this damn. Oh, look how rusty right here is. Look how rusty right here is. Look at the rockers. The rockers is gone. Yeah. I'm gonna shut this door because I don't. Oh, the door is freaking frozen now. Yeah, this is a what is it? This is a 450 actually. It said. And if I can. There you go. Look at right here. Look at right here. Look at down there. Look at that. I'm gonna try to unfroze this door. I'm trying to unfroze this door. Should give us a year on it. Holy crap. I want to try to take some, what you call it, souvenirs off it. Wow.
Emergency switch.
I gotta find some more. We gotta find some more information on this, folks. We'll find some more information. I gotta get to look on that freaking front end. I need a. There she is. There's Dario. Oh,
Don't fall in there.
we need to like build something where we can like. Oh, this is actually safe to go on now. Look, Dario, look.
Don't, you might fall through.
I like it when it's frozen. So
Well,
trying to shut. Oh, this mirror, bro. Yeah, this was a freaking flatbed. No kidding.
huh?
No kidding. This was a flatbed. Shut this door now. Where'd you find that at? Oh, there you go. What's this?
Might be part of that. Look at the old jack.
Yeah. There you go. I'm gonna check out this. What's that over there, I wonder? What that too? I'm not getting over there actually, I'm sinking. I'm gonna do some clearing over here. See? Clearing. This fucking thing gets out of my way. Ugh. Put that roof back on.
Where's the clearing? When you say clearing, what do you mean?
I'm trying to clearance this out. See all this?
Do you want to step on the hood?
I need to get the hood on here. That would be great.
All right, ready? Here it comes.
No, not that. Not that. We're gonna need that. I'm gonna put that roof back on.
Look how nice the blue is. Right?
Well, look at the door. Look. Since the door was frozen all this time, look. Okay, for real though, like, if I can get this fucking thing.
What's that?
We're taking that home. But oh yeah, Oh, I'm not getting that.
What does that say right there, bro? I don't know what that means. It's thought it had oil in it or something.
Yeah.
It's all rusty.
Whew. All right, folks, out here in the wilderness, in the swamp, old junkyard.